Day in June? Yes, because every day can be Earth Day when hearts are ready to learn. Officially, Earth Day is celebrated on April 22nd. But this year, while schools rested in the silence of summer vacation, the spirit of Earth Day waited patiently. And when the doors of Government High School, Saidhapura in Yadgir reopened, the celebration finally found its moment. Our Prayoga team traveled to the school to turn learning into an experience. Students of grade 8, 9 and 10 came together to explore the wonders of our earth through observation and hands-on discovery. Our academic coordinators at Yadgir district guided the students in building incredible models related to the earth, pollution, environmental protection and sustainable living. Meanwhile, our principal researcher of earth science, Dr. Ajit Singh, took the students on a journey of experiential learning. A simple stone became a story. Students observed, questioned, and wrote down their discoveries. A handful of sand became a laboratory of curiosity. Experiments unfolded before their eyes, showing them that learning is not just something to memorize. It is something to feel, touch, test, and understand.
ನಾವು ಇದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾತ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The day became even more special when the students got an opportunity to interact with Professor R. Shankar, advisor of IGEO. His words inspired curiosity, confidence, and courage to think differently. Earth Day may have arrived late on the calendar, but in the hearts of these students, its message arrived at the perfect time. Because protecting the earth begins with understanding it, and understanding begins with curiosity.
ಕೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ನೋಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಪರಾಮರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ರೂಢಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ 2020 ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಬರೀ ಬಾಯಿ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಯತಃ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ.